Welcome to the Net Store, a luxury retreat perfectly positioned on the shores of Loch Beag, where every window frames a view worth stopping for. Step inside to an open-plan living space filled with natural light. The cozy wood-burning stove and a dining area with floor-to-ceiling views invite you to settle in and watch the ever-changing scenery. The surrounding landscape invites you to slow down and soak in the calm of Loch Beag and the rugged coastline. Back inside, the stylish kitchen makes cooking a pleasure. The spa-like ground floor bathroom features underfloor heating, a luxurious bathtub and a relaxing waterfall shower. The cozy ground floor bedroom completes this inviting space with comfort and views. Morning brings a special kind of magic here. The sun rises over Loch Beag as the world outside awakens, bathing the house in a golden glow. Upstairs, the light-filled second floor includes a spacious mezzanine with views, perfect for working or unwinding. The second bedroom and bathroom continue the luxurious design, with roof windows bringing in plenty of natural light. With great views from every room and a tranquil setting by the sea, the Net Store is your perfect escape to Scotland's wild beauty. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more unique stays in Scotland. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.